last week in video production, we covered Unit 2, covered scripts, I used TV graphics. We also did about organizing productions with scripts, learned about how it helps to clarify ideas among the whole team. It helps coordinate everyone, so everyone's on the same page. What kind of script you need depends on what you're filming. An outline script, just kind of rough opening and closing, it's kind of vague. Single column, usually for narratives, where it has the shots and what's going to be said in one column. Two columns are usually used by TV. They go shot by shot and are very clear. We went over TV graphics in the next unit, or the next chapter. TV graphics can set the mood and the tone for the whole show. You need to make sure they're clear and direct. Use bold letters and make them easy to read. You need to make sure they work on 4:3 ratio and 16:9, because people still have 4:3 and 16:9 is the wider screen. So when you make that, you got to make sure you have make sure your graphics usable by both. You can use letter outlines to make your letters easier to read, which I found out would be very helpful in the motion and titles project. Learned about how to organize a production and how the illusion of reality is a little bit harder to do than a lot of people realize. Talked about how the camera, or the viewer, only sees what the camera sees. So you got to make sure you set up all your shots right and get everything looks good, and it kind of immerses the viewer in that. And that was about everything I thought was pretty interesting out of the